Hello guys, welcome to the HyperPay channel. In this video, we will go beyond our concept and make a very enjoyable unboxing video. Have a nice watch.
Where you hiding? I just want you to come in.
Let me talk about what to tell. HyperPay Hardware Wallet, we're gonna introduce the topics about the outlook of the device, quick tip on how to connect Bluetooth connection with HyperPay app, how to set up PIN code, the process of creating the wallet, the recovery words card in the box, recovery words, security card, security wallet, some information from homepage. We're gonna all introduce about these topics in this video, so don't forget to watch the middle and the end of the video, guys. Let's try to open it first. We just opened the box of the hardware wallet. Let's see what's inside of the box. In here you can see a small hardware wallet in here. It's so beneficial to carry it so that you can carry it when you go let's put in here for a waiting section in here. Let's open this in here and let's see what's inside of it. You can see a pad for writing, you can see a small pocket to put the hardware wallet in here. Let's open it. It's a bit hard to open it. Let's go in this section. You can go over with the pocket in here, guys. You can see a small similar to notebook thing. When we open this area, you can see a HyperPay sections in here. Here's the writings that please be sure to record the dynamic in a private, safe environment and pay special attention avoiding cameras, email, personal, etc. You can see some notes about it, and you can write whatever you want about the hardware wallet in here. And you need to write with the this dynamic pen in here, guys. It's hard to take it, but for the safety of the hardware wallet, you can write what you want for writing section in here, guys. And let's introduce about what's the benefits of this little guy and what's the benefits of these sections in here, guys. Let's go over with these ones in here. Let's go with our hardware wallet. As you can see in here, you can see it has a very good the design that it takes. It's very innovative that you can see it's such a thin. You can see the thin of it. It goes very thin. You can see the electronic screen in here. It has 1.3 inch. It goes with the very big electronic screen. You can go and see the numbers more big in here, guys. And you can see the fingerprint in here. It's such a good for seeing the displays. You can see the fingerprint section in here. You can see in the fingerprint management and authentication in here, for making and go with the securely transfer in here. And it's inside of our hardware wallet. It has Bluetooth 5.0 encrypted transmission that it goes with the safety about the hardware wallet. And inside of our hardware wallet, it has a double battery capacity that it shows us about the battery. It has a long-term battery about it goes with the so much times about the go with itself. And about the hardware wallet, its most important things about the hardware wallet, it has CCEL6 plus security chip. That it's the most important thing about the hardware wallet, that no one can hack or do something about your coins inside of it. You can never lose in this small hardware wallet. And it has a physical isolation that no one ever goes with take it in this little guy, guys. Let's put our hardware wallet in here and let's go over with the more details about the opening hardware wallet section in here. Let's go with the opening section in here. All we need to do is just download the app of the HyperPay in here. When you download it, all you need to do is just connect with the our little guy in here. When you connect it, we will show how to go and how to make more securely entering in here. So let's open it in here, guys. Let's open our hardware wallet in here. All you need to do is just go over with the turn on button in here, like for 5 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's open. And then all you need to do is just select your language in here. It has the English and the Asian language, as you can see in here. Like, let's go over with the English language in here for including our language. Is that create a new wallet and restore a wallet. That we need to select a create a new wallet in here. For easy setup pin code, let's do it in the background. We have just finished the setup of the wallet, and let's go with the website of the HyperMate. Let's go with the details about the project in here. Securely hold your crypto assets featuring the world's most secure, easy to use hardware wallet. HyperMate Pro makes the security of your crypto assets with innovative technology. We have already mentioned about it. Here's this video that, like, the video shows the similar things that we have already mentioned about it. You can watch, and we're gonna put this video in our, like, the entrance of the video, guys. Like, you can see the more luxurious, more powerful, like multi-signature. Like, you can see the benefits of the wallet in here, empowering your security. Like I just mentioned about their security certification about like CCEAL6+. Like, you can see their security platform in here, like safety in every tiny design, CCEAL, etc. Signal element design, private key storage, like etc. things you can see in here. You can see the authentication in here. Much easier to manage private key. Like it's the most, like, not the hardest, but like it's the most take time. Like, the all you do is just go over with the words in here, but you need to save the words in here, and then you need to write it before opening your HyperMate wallet. No limited, you can see no limited in here. Here's that extra protection, we didn't mention about it, but the controller is made of special blended metal fiber material which can affect the shield Bluetooth signals, like its signals, like it's protect the wallet from the Bluetooth signals. Like, you can see it's made by the blended metal, isolate electromagnetic interference. You can see offline storage. The mnemonic card is made from aluminum alloy raw materials combined with laser technology, so the card is fire and waterproof. The customized quick drying oily pens is able to keep the words and colors for a long time under natural conditions. Support a variety of tokens, and we came to the end of the website, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. You can reach the site from the description section.